In a tough economy, there are many people who are looking for supplemental income. Whether they have a full-time job or whether they're a stay-at-home mom, they're looking for opportunities that are flexible and can give them what they need in a way that fits their schedule. I'm Amy Robinson, and I'm the Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer at the Direct Selling Association. Direct selling really is like being your own boss. You can choose your own hours, you can choose what days you work. If you want to take a 2-week vacation in the summer with your family, you don't have to ask for time off. Direct selling has an economic impact far beyond the 16 million people who are involved in direct selling. They may make $29 billion worth of sales each year, but that doesn't even begin to account for all the people who are involved in getting those products to market. The people who are involved in the creation of those products, who are involved in manufacturing and transporting those products. And also the people who are impacted when those direct sellers who have earned that income go out into the marketplace and spend that money. Many college students choose direct selling as a way to make money during school so that they don't have to have a particular schedule with a part-time job. And the second benefit is that they're learning business skills. They're learning marketing, they're learning how to make sales, they're learning how to keep paperwork. They're learning all the things that are going to be essential to them after they graduate from college and are out in the workplace. I often say that direct selling is the original social network. Now with Twitter and Facebook and so many different ways for people to communicate, direct sellers really have a worldwide marketplace.